Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of the Brit Taylor TV. My name is Bridget. Okay, so something happened to a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend recently, and I just thought to tell everyone to be really careful with the taxes they take, and just please be careful. A lot of things are happening. People are getting kidnapped. People's property are being stolen. So please just be careful. Okay, so moving on. Today's topic, I'll be talking about internship. Okay, so a number of my friends were talking to me recently and they were like, oh Bridget, what do you think? Okay, so I have a number of students coming to me that they want to intern, and I'm just thinking how they picked me, why they picked me, and why they're here. And I'm like, okay, I think a number of people have issues with figuring out where to do their internships and what to look out for when they do their internship. So this hence the video. Okay, I'm a little under the weather, so I might not look as great. Okay, no, I always look great. I'm sorry, but I always look great. Okay. Two things. One, location. There are reasons why you want to be an intern. Figure out what your reasons are. There are two kinds of internship, the paid and the unpaid internship. So which exactly are you going for? Are you going for the paid or the unpaid internship? Either the paid or the unpaid internships, you still get paid stipends. It's never, if you are making a lot of money at the moment and you're going for an unpaid or a paid internship, you need to be conservative in the amount of money you spend on transport fare. Yeah, you'd need to be really conservative. So if you stay on the mainland and you're trying to do an internship on the island, I don't think it's very advisable because you'd be stressed out. You'd be very stressed out. If you're going to do an internship on the island, you should probably have someone who stays on the island, or someone, I don't know, just have a living plan so you don't have to travel all the way every day, because there's a lot of traffic in Lagos and maybe many parts of the world. So just have your location in mind so you're not stressed out and depressed and cranky from trying to intern really far away from you. And secondly, you should know how much impact this place has done to everyone else who's interned there. If possible, speak to people who you know has interned there. They probably have alumni. Speak to people who has studied there. Speak to people who has trained there. You know, it depends on where, because whether or not it's fashion, it's a training process. So you need to know how much impact they've done in someone else's life. Speak to those people. Get to know how much impact this school or this place or this organization has impacted in their life, just so you know if it's something you want for yourself and for your brand. I know I said two, but I'm just going to include this one last thing. When getting a place to intern, know if their vision and their values are represented in the things that they do. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. If you're training at, for instance, the Joshua Apparel International, which is my brand. Okay, so we train students here, and we do ready to wear as well as made to measure. So if you want to do either of these things, then you be like, oh, okay, this is probably the place I want to train at. This is probably the place I want to intern at. Then you can come and be like, sorry, please, I want to intern here because I want to understand what ready to wear is. I want to know what the processes are, the production processes. I want to know what packaging is. I want to know what branding is. I want to know how to go about this. It helps you it reduces your level. It reduces the amount of mistakes you make, because if I'm talking to you and showing you all the mistakes that you are likely to make, you certainly cannot make those mistakes, and even if you would, they won't be as high as the mistakes that you would have made on your own. Also, it helps you to know that, oh, okay, this person does ready to wear, and this is where this person is struggling. So I do not want to struggle like this when I do ready to wear. How do I carve a niche outside of ready to wear to help me to do the right thing? It also helps you to find your unique selling point, that's your USP, because when you know that this person does this person does that, you just know, okay, how can I do this differently? That's what internship does for you. It opens your mind. It helps you to even know if fashion or whatever intern place you're trying to get, it helps you to know if that is really what you want to do. Sometimes we're torn in between learning, working, being an entrepreneur. We're not even sure. But when you intern, it opens your mind. It helps you to be sure what exactly it is you want to do. And I am so excited I got to talk to you. Please like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I really look